Okay guys, well, let's see how little Frankie looks. Here we go. Oh, in the darkness. I see parts. Oh! It's little Frankie! Hey! Oh wow. Looking good. Is the doors? Looking good, looking good. I see one or two little dust nibs, but like I told the customer, you're always going to get a couple. The customer can always go ahead and, you know, have her polished, whatever he needs to do. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Look at the reflection on that lid. Woo-hoo-hoo. Does this side look? Oh, beautiful. Okay, I see nothing in this one. I saw one little dust nib in one door. Look at the reflection. Hey guys. Looking good. So we never got every single thing painted last night. As you can see, look how crowded the booth gets. So there's still some small parts that need to be done. And we've got the front hood to be done tonight, the gas tank to be done. So this is a 2-day process. So if you're out there watching, Jason, I wish I could have fit it all in the booth for you in one night. You know, it just would have saved you a little money, but I couldn't. And at the end of the day, at this point, do you try and save a little money, or do you just suck it up and say, hey, it's going to be what it's going to be? Okay, guys, we'll get little Frankie unmasked, and away we go. Okay, we got her unmasked, and we got her sitting outside the booth. There's little Frankie. I hope you're happy, Jason. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. Look at that shine. So we just pushed it outside because we're putting other parts in the booth right now. Gas tanks all set up. Stuff like that. There it is. There you go, guys. Okay, got to get back to it here. Lots on the go. All right, we're back at the shop here. I don't know if I don't recall whether I showed this in a video or not, but we got a 70 Acadian in with a big block in it. Putting a different radiator in it, hooking up a tack, stereo, speakers, new heater hoses, just some minor little upgrades. Beautiful little car. Neighbor down the road. Tack all mounted in there now. Got the aftermarket stereo. It's one of those Bluetooth ones. Yep. It's got that nice 4-speed shifter sitting right there waiting. So that's what's going on there. Mike's working away here, getting his floor pan in. Into the, this is the 72 Buick. Guy's gonna make this a street car, but a race car. So he wants to go down to the track with it quite a bit, but he's going to drive it on the street. And like I said, if I remember correctly, he's got an engine built up, 700 horse. So that'll be a fun street car. That's what's going on there. This 42 Dodge, I got the lower half. We did all the body work and repainted it, got all the chrome back on that. I'm waiting on the top half. We're actually painting the green on that tonight. We're going to paint that over there when we do the rest of the bug parts, because it's only one part. So we're going to slip that in. So we're going to get that painted tonight and then bring it home. Tomorrow's Friday, leave it sit up for the weekend, and then hopefully Monday I bolt it all back together. So that's happening there. And for those of you who haven't seen her or heard her for a while, Big Red. Let's take a look at Big Red. Big Red is actually turned around. So what I'm waiting for now is I'm going to jack Big Red up and I'm going to be pulling the wheels off it and tires off it, and be putting new tires on her and painting the rims up a nice brand new bright white. But there she is. She's looking pretty good. Somebody messaged me and said, are you selling this truck? And I've said it over and over again, yes, it's for sale. It's going to be for sale within a week or two. Just depends how long it takes me to paint the wheels up. So in, you know, definitely before May, it's going to be up for sale. So watch for it on Facebook Marketplace. Again, it's a heavy 3/4 ton. Brand new transmission, just rebuilt with a new torque converter, with brand new diff just rebuilt with a posi, brand new leaf springs, 4 new shocks, gonna have 4 new tires, got a brand new front and back windshield with new seals, new door seals, new signal light housings, side marker housings, tail light housings, new front bumper, new heater core, exhaust, and all the brakes were done 2 years ago. Flowmaster 40 series. Don't know what else to tell you, but it will be up for sale. Box is Raptored on the inside. It's got the toolbox in the back also. You got a handy little toolbox there. It's got the sliding back window with the tint to it. It's got, oh, 2 brand new dual. You can just see them in there. You can see the silver. See it down in there? 2 brand new gas tanks, dual tanks, new sending units. Oh yeah, tons of money. The interior is not the best. The original floor mat, no rips or tears. It's got this carpet thing on there you buy from LMC Truck to cover up the cracked dash pad. Everything works. Lights, heater, wipers, all that bullshit works. Door panels are not the greatest. I haven't cleaned them yet. They're all full of dust, but those are the original door panels from this truck. And she basically is, let's see, she's cold. You can see, there's the temperature gauge right down there. And if I turn the key to on, she ain't moving up, so she ain't been running. So we'll see here. Give her a couple quick... Remember, this truck's been sitting too for like 4 months since I last started it. There we go. Watch that oil pressure rise, people. Electric choke. It's got a 350 with just over 300 horse. Headers, high-rise, a little bit of a high-rise intake with an Edelbrock 600 carb. There's your oil pressure cold. She's maxing right out at 60 pounds. Yeah, no, like I say, the interior is probably a 6 out of 10. The exterior is probably an 8 out of 10. It's got the trailer package, 7-pin trailer package, 10,000 pound hitch on the back. But yeah, it's not a bad little truck. Nice exhaust, listen to that. Mind you, I do see it's almost out of gas here too, so. And of course, you know, just turn to the key once it's been running. She fires right up. Charging no problem, as you can see there. Turn her off. Don't know if I said it. New door seals. Seal plates are in great shape. You know, so. Yeah. Don't know what else to tell you. Big Red. I've owned Big Red. Let me see. I've lived out here for 13 years. I've had Big Red for at least 17 years now. Oh, let me see if I can get this open. Oh, I can't open this holding the camera. Hang on, guys. Hood, nice and clean underneath, not all rotted out. Rad support, nice and clean. As you can see, we'll get in there. Rad support, nice and clean. I think the rads are around 4 years old, I can't remember. Inner fenders are nice and clean, decent. Firewall still clean, you know. Newer battery also, I forgot to mention that. What else we got here? Brand new water pump, just did the water pump. So the engine, it's clean, it's grease free, but I wasn't about to start spray bombing it because then it would just, you know, it'd just look like I'm trying to cover something up. This is what you're getting. You're getting an engine that the paint's coming off, but it's an engine. I mean, I put this engine in here, let me think, I put this engine in here 3 years after I moved here. So this engine's been in here for 10 years, and I estimated the mileage because I wrote it down when I did it, and I estimated it's probably at around 70, this truck's in miles, probably at around 75,000 miles right now. So, I mean, you know, it's not a brand new engine, but I mean, she's strong, got lots of life. I was towing my 5,000-pound travel trailer with it with no issues whatsoever. Hood hinges are nice, you know, they look good. They're not all fucked up. Springs aren't all messed up. Like I say, it just looks nice and clean underneath. And that's what you want, right? Nice and clean. Closes nice. You know, you can look down the side of it. She's fairly straight, looks decent. Don't know what to tell you, I mean, factory mirrors that were on it, original door handles. I did put some new rubber pads on there because I had them off when we painted it. The paintwork on here is over a year old now. You know, yeah. The only thing that's a downfall is I have not got a rear bumper. I tried to order a brand new rear bumper because I wanted to match the front, and it's been back ordered forever and ever. And now I want to get the truck for sale, so I said just forget it. And they're still on back order, though. I do keep watching. So, of course, I'm looking for a good used back bumper. And, of course, every time I found a good used one, they want, like, $300. And I got to clean it up and blast it and all the bullshit. So, time I'm in for a used bumper, I'm into it for $500. Well, I can buy a new one for $500, but they're on back order. So, at the moment, I do not have a bumper. It probably will be going up for sale without a rear bumper. And we all know what that's going to do. People are going to say, where's the bumper? So, or I buy an old shitty used one that's all twisted to shit and put it on for $100. But, it deserves better than that. But I got my eyes open, so maybe a bumper will come along, but if not, it's not the end of the day. The truck can still be sold. Good, solid work truck if you know of anyone looking. I am in the Lower Mainland. I'm in, you know, a lot of you guys are American. I'm in Canada, British Columbia, Chilliwack, BC. So just keep an eye on Facebook, and you'll see her coming up. But hey, other than that, hell yeah. We're in the middle of the week. It's almost over. And what else can I tell you except thank you for watching. And hey, it's always a good time and old time. See you later.